Tutorial on Webinar Script for Webapp. Hello everyone. Today you'll be guided on how to use the webinar mode in Memoriacall Webapp. 1. Turn on the Enable Webinar mode at the bottom of your screen. This has to be completed first. Next, add a title to your webinar. Now, specify a time duration and a date for your webinar. Next, enter a description for your webinar. Click Save and Send. A pop-up button with a shareable link will now appear. Share this link with your webinar attendees via text message, social media, or email. When webinar attendees click open the link, they will be asked for their email address and will be able to register for the webinar using the Register button. Upon clicking the RSVP button, attendees will receive a personalized email invitation to click open the webinar at its respective time. You can also add this webinar to your calendar now. Memoria's webinar function is functional, fast, and reliable. Welcome to the future of video conferencing.